Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us see why we have to do only good karmas, sat karmas for our fruitful life. Our Upanishad says, Anando Brahmeti Vejanat. Ananda, happiness, is our own true nature. That is why happiness is the cry of mankind. Everyone is seeking after happiness, directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. But our life is a mixture of happiness and sorrow, pleasure and pain. Actually, you don't want pain, but we can't avoid it. This is a fact of our life. However, our Shastra says by doing karma, by doing good karmas, sat karmas, continuously, we can lead more happy and fruitful life. Our Shastra says, by keep doing good karmas regularly, continuously in our life, we can lead more happy life. We can lead more fruitful life. Here Shastra says, Purva Janma Krutam Karma Taddaivamiti Kathyate Tasmat Shastra says, Purva Jalma Krutam Karma Taddaivamiti Kathyate Tasmat Purushakarena Yatnam Kuryadatandritaha. Here Shastra says, there are two forces which are acting simultaneously in our life, which decides our pain and pleasure that we undergo in our daily life. One is our self-effort. Another one is destiny. What is self-effort? Self-effort means human effort. Destiny means, our Shastra says, Purva Jalma Krutam Karma Taddaiva Miti Kathyate. That means, destiny means our own past self-effort. Yesterday's self-effort is today's destiny. today's self-effort will be tomorrow's destiny. Suppose, at present, we have more problems in our life. We have more pains in our life. Then, what it means? It means that your fast self-effort, either it might be of your previous birth or this birth, was not in right direction. Here Shastra says, our past self-effort becomes present destiny, and this destiny, along with present self-effort, decides our pain and pleasure that we undergoes in our daily life. When you do good karmas, your self-effort will be in right direction. When you do bad karmas, your self-effort will be in wrong direction. So here, Shastra says, our past self-effort becomes present destiny. Present self-effort will become future destiny. That is why here Shastra says, Tasmat Purusha Karena Yatnam Kuryad Atandritaha. Here Shastra says, irrespective of your present status, irrespective of your destiny, by keep doing good karmas continuously, definitely leads you to a more happy and fruitful life, both here and hereafter. That is why our Shastra says we have to do only good karmas, only sat karmas for our fruitful human life. For all of you, this is the Hitopadesham for today. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.